Hello and welcome. Now in this course, we're going to be working through a practical example of how you set up Google Analytics for a digital product. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about some of the data metrics that you can actually view and measure throughout the entire process. We're then going to talk about some of the characteristics of setting up a digital product in order to be measured using Google Analytics. And then we're going to move on to a squeeze page setup. And then we're going to talk about how you measure the results. We're then going to move on to the split testing of a squeeze page setup, and then how to measure the results of your split test. We're then going to move to your sales page setup, and then we're going to talk about how to measure what's on your sales page or the results you're going to get. We're then going to talk about the split testing of that sales page, and then how to measure the results of your split test. We're then going to move on to the upsell page, and then we're going to talk about what to measure when you're talking about your upsell page. And then we're also going to talk about the success page, and we're going to talk about what to measure on that success page. Finally, we're going to talk about basic reports that you can then set up, advanced reports you can set up, and then we're going to talk about some automation that you can set up so that you can determine what is happening on your site. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.